I'm going to show you how to define business partner roles in SAP S/4HANA. My name is Nuno Dias, and I have been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in financial area. I work as an SAP FICO Contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, you can find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Here in this channel, we are doing a full lifecycle implementation based in finance and control. So please subscribe this channel to get fresh new videos on a weekly basis. The business partner roles are used to assign into business partner in order to specify its function. Only during the business partner creation we can see this. This is what we are going to see on this video. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP IMG menu. So then we go for the cross applications. We drill down, business partners again, basic settings, business partner roles, and then define business partner roles. Here, this is pretty standard, and then I think you could use whatever already exists instead of creating. But if you decide to create, please bear in mind, copy from the standard one. For example, we have FLCU00 and FLCU01 for FI customers. So maybe if I was entering there, I would say that this would be for SD customers if I wanted to make a differentiation from FI and SD customers of the roles. This just in case what you have defined before in the account groups for customers. If you have defined only one account group that will suit the sales and distribution part, you don't need to have two roles. But let's go for the explanation of the roles. So when I go to this one, I'm in BP roles. I double click and I can see here inside what is already defined. It's already defined that the BP role category is this one. Okay, we will go back. We will go to this later. If we don't want to see many roles, we can hide the role, so the role will not be displayed. I'm not going to hide the role, and then we have the interface control for the BP view. As you can see, everything is standard, and we should use the standard for this functionality. If you are enjoying this video as me as doing it, please make a like to us. So now I'm going to get one step back just to show you that if I select here and if I double click in the business partner categories, I'm going to these parts. So business partner categories, we saw that is the FLCU00. What was that? So now I double click and we see something different. I can see that for this category, when we are entering, when we are creating a customer, a business partner customer on this role category, we know that there is a possibility for an organization, person, or group. Okay, this is what it means about the category. Now, if I go one step back, because I prefer to go one step back, if I double click in the BP role business transactions, we go and see what business transactions are these are used for this role. Okay. Here they are already assigned, but I have one case that is not assigned, and then we are going to see that case. We go back, I go again, double click to go back to the roles, okay? And then I want to show that we have the FLV00 for the suppliers, vendors. FI accounting or supplier, we can define if is for suppliers of FI and then suppliers of MM. If I double click, I'm going to untick this one. If I double click this one, we go again for that screen. So if I don't want to see this BP role, I will put it as I, but this is not the case that we are doing here. So if you feel that this video is answer to your questions, please make a comment in the video. YouTube likes to read comments to see if the video is what it says in the description of the video or not. So now going back again to this, I'm going to see the business partner role category, okay? So again, I could click there or I can go back just for you to see. It is select. I'm going to business partner roles categories. I'm going to click twice there. So I'm in the business partner roles category. Our is FV00. I double click, and again, for vendors, it's the same as for customers, business partners, organization, personal group. So we are going to see this when we create business partners. Now we are still in the configuration of our project. So now I go back one more step, and then I'm going to use this one. Double click, and we are inside of business transactions. There is no business transactions there. In this case, we need to add the business transactions, and then I'm going to choose business partner usage, and then I'm going to choose both. We should have both here. Change business partner, and then transaction allowed, okay? And then we save. We save, and then we go back. So we made a change. I go back again, and then if now we go inside, if I select, if we go inside, we can see that business transactions were created for this business partner role category. Now you know how to define business partners roles in SAP S/4HANA. Thanks for watching this video as part of the full lifecycle implementation series that we are doing here in this channel. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please subscribe this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. I see you in the next video.